Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Nadiana Rashifa, a student at the Islamic State University of Cyber Nurjati Cirebon, majoring in English Studies Semester 5, Class A. I will present the result of my analysis of the English textbooks entitled English for Nusantara for Class A Junior High School. This book is one of the many references published by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology in 2022 to support the Merdeka curriculum. This analysis I did based on a framework developed by Kami Sword, which focuses on 3 points. First point is social values. The second point is a method of presenting language skills, and the third point is language features, especially in reading. Okay guys, we move to the part 1, book description. The title is English for Nusantara for Junior High School, Class 8. The author is Ika Lestari Damayanti, Ian Nurlailawati and team. Publisher, Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology, and then year of publication 2022. And general description. This book is designed to help Class 8 students master English language skills with a genre-based approach. This book includes 6 main chapters, starting from the introduction in chapter 0 to 10, such as celebrating Independence Day, importance of goodness, and protecting the environment. Each chapter has a clear structure and focus on developing speaking, reading, writing, and listening skills. In the part 2, analysis based on Cummings Word framework. Point A, program goals and objective. The English for Nusantara books have the main purpose to help students. The first is developing communication skill in the context of daily life, and the second is understand and produce text in various genres such as recount, narrative, descriptive, and procedure. And 3, integrating local social and culture values such as gotong royong and love for the environment. And then implementation example. In the chapter 1, students learn about the experience of celebrating Independence Day through the context. And in chapter 3, students are invited to make poster the campaign for environmental conservation as part of productive tasks. And a point B, objective specification and learning situation analysis. The learning situation in these books is a very contextual and relevant to the student's life. For example, first, the theme raises, such as the traditional games of climbing Pinang in the chapter 1, are very familiar to Indonesian students. And the second, this book uses fictional characters such as Galang, Monita, and Andre, who represent junior high school students in the context of home and school. And the third, the approach used involve active activities such as discussion, role play, and a creative project. Book selection. The reasons for choosing this book is in accordance with the three main aspects. The first is publication source. This book is published by the Ministry of Education and Culture, ensuring quality and relevant with the curriculum. And the second is user experience. This book incorporates innovative learning strategies such as a communicative approach to support the mastery of speaking skills. The third is professional recommendation. This book is the main reference in the implementation of a Merdeka curriculum. And the party analysis based on important component. First component is social values. These books contain three social values that can help students develop positive character. For example, in the chapter 2, kindness began with me, teaches the importance of kindness to others, tolerance for differences, and the importance of friendship. And the second one, in the chapter 4, no littering, emphasizes the importance of maintaining environmental cleanliness through inspirational stories about anti-plastic waste campaign. Then there are learning methods and strategies. This book uses various interesting and relevant methods, such as the first method is communicative approach. Encourage students to actively speak in dialogue and role play. And the second one, contextual activities. For example, in the chapter 1, students are asked to tell their experience participating in the Independence Day competition. And the third one, creative project. Student makes poster in the chapter 3 to convey idea about environmental conversation. And the third, there are language features. This book is designed to improve students' ability in a certain aspect of language. For example, in the chapter 1, students learn about the past tense to tell the past experience. And in chapter 5, students learn to use adverb of manners to describe the way someone does an action, such as clumsily and hesitantly. Each chapter has a reading comprehension exercise that helps students understand the text in depth. Okay guys, we move to the part 4 is conclusions. So in conclusion, the English for Nusantara books is a very suitable learning resource for junior high school students in the class A. This book not only support mastery of English but also set the character of students through social values such as the love of the environment, teamwork, and tolerance. This book is also in line with the Merdeka curriculum, which emphasizes the contextual learning and creative project. Okay guys, that's my presentation. Hopefully this analysis can provide useful insight, especially in evaluating textbook for English learning. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.